Hello all. Today I'm going to show you the different Xposed modules that I use in a daily basis. As we all know, Xposed is a great framework for the Android, and these are the modules that I use in the daily basis. So let's talk about them. First one, activity force new task. In this module, it actually opens a window as a new task over the present window. That is, if you play any YouTube videos over the Facebook app, if you don't use the native browser and use the YouTube as the player, then it will automatically open a new window for the YouTube, and when we go back, it will go straight back to the Facebook app, not the home screen. Next module is the boot manager. This is a very useful module, and this actually helps in closing the different apps that from activating when we boot the device. Actually, I close this much apps, and these apps don't show up or activate when we boot the device, which makes the booting faster. Next is Gravity Box KK. It's Gravity Box for KitKat, and this module is my favorite module out of all these. This helps in tweaking almost everything in this phone. That is, we can customize the quick settings management, the status bar, the navigation bar, and everyone. And we can also set the background, so hollow background to any solid black backgrounds, and it shows many options. Next is Greenify. This is based on an app named Greenify, and this helps in closing those apps that we don't want to put in our background. That is, it hibernates the background apps that we selected. Next is Min guard. It actually disables the different types of ads that are showing up. These apps with these red things, they actually show some ads when we open it when the internet connection is on. So this module actually closes that issue, and the apps don't show any ads after that. Next is screen filter. Screen filter app is actually for the filtering of the screen. That is, if we want brightness to low, and to this is the minimum brightness, and if you want to become even the dimmer, that is in if you are in a lightless room, and if you don't want to hurt your eyes, you can just use this module, and this much of actually this is the smallest lowest brightness which I can get now, so by using that module. Next is smooth system progress bar. This actually help in changing the progress bar, that is the loading bar of the Android. So I customize my loading bar to this, and this module helps in is then swipe back actually adds a global back gesture to the all the apps, and this actually helps in multitasking easily. Next is tinted status bar. This module actually helps in adding the tint color to the navigation bar and the status bar, and we can set the color according to our needs. That is, if we use the, for example, if we use if we use true color, then it changes the color of the top and bottom bars to the color that is matching the app. And for example, another app, if you use this Greenify, it changes the color according to it, and it's actually a great module. And next is Exile floating window. That is, it adds this small tail feature to this phone. That is, if we can open this apps in sorry in small areas, and yeah and we can open these in small windows. That is, if we are playing a video in YouTube, then a message comes, then we can usually use this module to make small windows and use the playback in the background and use the app. Then is it is Xposed preference injector. That is, it injects actually shows the Xposed modules in the setting apps. That is, if we go to the settings, then these are the Xposed modules. This functionality is added by that Xposed preference injector module. And the last but not the least is the YouTube ad away. This actually hides all the ads that we play when YouTube videos is activated or played, and it is a pretty good module. So that's all. These are the most used modules by me. And yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.